Good morning students, we will see numerical on water, determination of hardness by EDTA method, 5 to 6 marks. So read this numerical carefully and then we'll start actual solution about it. Okay, what they have given, we will write first strength of the SHW. Okay, just write a note here if you want. Strength of SHW or preparation, SHW preparation, it should be in milligram per ml. And what is hardness? It will be milligram per liter. Okay, so just don't get confused between what is strength and what is hardness. So milligram per ml and milligram per liter. So milligram per ml, milligram per liter means milligram per 1000 ml. Now first, this is a note, no need to write in the exam. So strength of the SHW, what they have given, 1 gram, so this is strength. This is given 1 gram CaCO3 per liter. So it will be nothing but 1000 milligram of CaCO3 per 1 liter means 1000 ml. So 1000 will get cancelled. So it is nothing but 1 milligram of CaCO3. So per 1 ml. So as I discussed, strength of the SHW should be in 1 milligram per 1 ml. So it is as per the rule. Now if in the exam, if they are given instead of 1 gram, they have given 1.2 gram or 1.5 gram CaCO3 per L. So here you will write 1.2, here you will write 1.1200, then here you will write 1.2 milligram per 1 ml. That's it. Otherwise the whole process will remain the same. Now this is the first step. Okay, now we'll read the first point, first sentence. 50 ml of SHW, which is prepared by 1 gram of CaCO3 per 1 liter, that means 1 milligram per 1 ml, requires 20 ml of EDTA solution. So first you can write first part, standardization of EDTA. Standardization of EDTA. So it is nothing but we will calculate for 1 ml EDTA how much corresponds to that, how much hardness. Okay, so this is the standard condition. So what standard condition they have given? From the numerical, 50 ml of SHW corresponds to requires 20 ml of EDTA solution. So nothing but what you can write as 20 ml of EDTA corresponds to 50 ml of SHW. Okay, what is 50 ml of SHW? See, if I take strength of SHW, if I take 1 ml, it is nothing but 1 milligram. So if I take 50 ml, then nothing but 50 milligram. So it is nothing but equivalent to 50 milligram of SHW, 50 milligram CaCO3 equivalent hardness. So what is our aim? We need to calculate hardness. Okay. Now next, okay, so this is nothing but this. So you can write in another word, so you can write again. So 50 ml of EDTA, 20 ml of EDTA corresponds to 50 milligram of CaCO3 equivalent hardness. Okay, now for 1 ml how much? So therefore 1 ml of EDTA corresponds to what? Hardness. So cross multiplication, so we'll write 1 into 50 divided by 20. So that hardness will be CaCO3, this milligram CaCO3 equivalent hardness. Okay, now you can calculate this here itself, or you can keep as it is. So this is nothing but 50 upon 20. So this will be step number 1. Now step number 2, to calculate total hardness. Okay, so you can check total hardness. See, hardness will be in milligram per liter. Okay, what is our numerical? See, second point, that is just 50 ml of water sample consumes 16 ml of EDTA. So you can write as from this statement, as this step, as 1 ml of EDTA corresponds to 50 by 20 milligram CaCO3 equivalent hardness. Therefore 16 ml of EDTA corresponds to what? So this is cross multiplication. So 16 into 50 by 20 milligram CaCO3 equivalent hardness. You can write down. So what is the calculation? So 0 will get cancelled. 2 1s are 2 8s are 8 5s are 40 milligram CaCO3 equivalent hardness. So now this 40 milligram will be in 50 ml of unknown hard water sample. Okay, but we want what? We want milligram per liter. So this is milligram per ml. So this is nothing but what? 40 milligram per 50 ml. So we want milligram per liter. So you can write here, this is, let's say this is A part, second, and this is B part, as 50 ml of unknown hard water sample corresponds to 40 milligram of CaCO3 equivalent hardness. Therefore 1000 ml, nothing but 1 liter, corresponds to what? So this will be cross. So it will be 1000 into 40 divided by 50. Okay, so you can calculate. So this will be answer. 5 1s are 5 2s are 10. So 4 2s are 8. So this will be 800 milligram per liter. It is also called as 800 milligram per liter, nothing but ppm. So you can write in note, in your note, milligram per liter, or it is also called as ppm. Okay, so 800 ppm will be your total hardness. Now to calculate permanent hardness. Now step number 3. To calculate permanent hardness. Okay, obviously this should be in milligram per liter or pp. Now you know that the first case, as 1 ml of EDTA corresponds to 50 by 20 milligram of CaCO3 equivalent hardness. Therefore, so what is here in the numerical? Third point, third sentence. See, this one, 50 ml of boiled and filter. So boiled and filter means after boiling and filter, you will be removing temporary hardness. So only water sample corresponds to permanent hardness. So it will consume 10 ml of EDTA. So you can write as 1 ml of EDTA corresponds to this milligram of hardness. So therefore 10 ml of EDTA corresponds to what? So cross multiplication, So 10 into 50 by 20. Okay, so it will be 25 milligram of CaCO3 equivalent hardness. Okay, but this is for what? This is for 50 ml of a known hard water sample. Okay, but we want nothing but what? 25 milligram per 50 ml, but we want milligram per liter. So as this will be point 1, this will be point B in same point number A and point number B in 3. So as 50 ml of unknown hard water sample corresponds to 25 milligram, therefore 1000 ml of unknown hard water sample corresponds to what hardness? So it will be cross multiplication. So 1000 into 25 upon 50. So 25 ones are 25 twos are, and 1000 divided by 2 will be 500. This is milligram per liter, or milligram per liter nothing but 500 pp. So this will be your permanent hardness. Okay, so what is your total hardness? 800. And what is your permanent hardness? 500. Okay, so you can write now part number 4. To calculate temporary hardness. So temporary hardness will be what? Total hardness minus permanent hardness. So what is that? 800 minus 500. Obviously this is pp. You can write here itself. Okay, so this will be 300 pp. Okay, so total answer you will write total hardness of unknown hard water sample is equal to 800 ppm. Permanent hardness, we can write everything, 500 ppm, and temporary hardness will be 800 minus 500 will be 300 ppm. This is how you final answer. Okay, thank you.